Here at BRECOflex, we've got your back. This backing is TR1 and TR2. They are made of abrasion-resistant transparent polyurethane with a hardness of approximately 85 Shore A and a coefficient to friction of 0.7. This material is machinable and can either be heat bonded or glue bonded to our polyurethane timing belts. Our steel, stainless steel, and Kevlar tension members provide the stiffness and accuracy needed for efficient and long-lasting conveying. TR1 has a thickness of 2.4 mm with a groove depth of 0.5 mm, and TR2 has a thickness of 2.5 mm with a groove depth of 1.4 mm. TR1 and TR2 are ideal for conveying glass, wood, metal, paper, textiles, cardboard, and for use in wet areas. The longitudinal grooves keep the product going straight. These grooves allow particulates and liquids to fall away and protect the product. It is resistant to oils, greases, petrol, and ozone, and has a temperature resistance of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. BRECOflex offers over 3 dozen different backings for a multitude of conveying applications. If you need assistance determining the best backing for your application, you can download our backings catalog at www.brecoflex.com or contact us for free engineering support at 732-460-9500. Thanks for watching.